Today we'll talk about how can you add promo codes on your Octa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next. So you just go down here, you keep going down here. So then you will find here promo codes, just click on it. Then it's going to enter with you to this list here. Then in this list here, can you add your promo code like you see here? In this list, can you enter your promo code? So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So you just follow this ways here, then it's going to work with you on your Okta app.